Good morning to everyone. I am Sujata, DL in Economics, TTWRDC from Devarkonda. Today, discuss about the topic is national income. National income. Today, discuss about the topic is national income and what is national income and what are the concept of national income and what are the measurement of national income. Okay, first of all, I define the national income. What is national income? What is national income? Okay. The national income is a total money value of the national income is a total money value of total money total money value of all final goods and services total money value of all final goods and services producing in a particular period of time now particular period of time known as a national income. Okay, what is national income? National income is a total money value of all final goods and services producing in a particular period of time. It is a known as a national income. And the next concept, we are concentrating what is final good. Okay, final good means ready to the consumption, a ready to the using of commodity. Which commodity has a ready to the consumption, ready to the using, that commodity called as a final good. Okay, the national income is a total money value of all final goods and services producing in a particular period of time. And the next topic is a concept of national income. Okay, what is how many types of concept of national income? There are many concept of national income such as a GDP, NDP, GDP, such as a different types of various concept of national income, such as a GDP, First of all, concept of national income. Concept of national income. National income. Concept of national income. There are various concepts of national income. The first one is a GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. GDP means gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. GDP means gross domestic product. Okay, what is the definition of GDP? GDP means the total money value of all final goods and services producing in the boundaries of the country. Domestic country, which is not included to the other country income. Which are not included to the other country. Okay, the denoted formula is a C plus. Denoted formula is a C plus I plus G. Okay, I plus G. C plus I plus G. Okay, what is the meaning of C? C means consumption, the total consumptions of country, and I means the total investment of country, and G means the total government expenditure of the in our country. Okay, once again repeated, I can explain to the concept of national income. There are various concept of national income, such as a first one is a GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. Okay, the denoted formula is a C plus I plus G. C means consumption and I means investment and G means government expenditure. Okay, and the next concept is a GDP. GNP. The next concept is a GNP. The next concept is a GNP. GNP. What is the what is the abbreviation of GNP? What is the abbreviation of GNP? GNP means gross national product. GNP means gross national product. Gross national product. The denoted formula is a C plus I plus G plus X minus M. X minus M plus X minus M plus R minus P. Okay, what is the C? C means consumption and I means investment and G means government expenditure, and X and M means exports and imports value, R means receipts and P means payments. Okay, what is the definition of GNP? GNP definition is the total money value of all final goods and services producing in our country as well as including to the boundary other countries, including to the other abroad countries income. For example, our country income is for example, our country, some peoples are lived. For example, 10 members are lived in our country and some members are worked in a other country. Some members worked in a other country. So other country living persons are sent to the income in our country. Okay. For example, X minus M, inter transaction to the our country income to the abroad country. Inter transaction to the other country to the abroad countries. Okay. First one, GNP. GNP means gross national product. Okay, the denoted formula is a C plus I plus G plus X minus M R minus P. Okay, now R minus P. For example, we can produce exports. Okay, we can produce exports. Okay, the exports are sent to the other countries. So other countries are payment to the in our country. For example, our country is imports to the other country products. Our country is imports to the other country products. So we can pay the country. Our amount is sent to the other countries. Okay, we can GNP means our country to the other country, inter relation to the amount of other countries to another country. Okay, what is GNP? Gross national product. Gross national product means the total money values of all final goods and services producing in a particular period of time as well as included to the abroad country amount. Okay, and the next one, the next concept is a NDP. The next concept is a NDP. Okay, what is NDP? What is NDP? What is NDP? NDP means net domestic product. Net domestic net domestic product. Net domestic product. Net domestic product. Domestic product. Okay, the denoted formula is GDP minus D. D means depreciation of the income. D means depreciation of the commodity. For example, first of all, we definition of the NDP. NDP means net domestic product. Net domestic product, the denoted formula is a GDP. GDP minus depreciation. We are also known as a GDP definition. What is GDP definition? GDP definition is the total money value of all final goods and services producing in our country. Okay, for example, we take the I am a entrepreneur. I can produce of the some commodity. Okay, so first of all, I take the one mission. Okay, the mission cost is a 10,000. So the mission is I will use in 10 years. After that, the mission is a sale to the another person. So a person spend the income is a 5,000. What happened is a 5,000 is a reduced. Why? Because of the mission is I can use 5 years. So mission is a loss of value. So the loss of value is a called as a depreciation. The loss of value is a depreciation. Okay, NDP means net domestic product. Okay, the formula is a GDP minus depreciation. GDP minus depreciation. For example, we take the amount. GDP value is a 10,000. GDP value is a 10,000. GDP value is a 10,000. The depreciation of amount is a 1,000. What is the NDP value? The NDP value is a 9,000. The NDP value is a 9,000. Okay. And the next one, the next concept is a NNP. The next concept is a NNP. Okay. NNP means net national product. Net national product. Net national product. Okay, what is the denoted formula? The denoted formula is a GNP minus depreciation. GNP minus depreciation. Okay, what is the GNP? GNP means the total money value of all final goods and services producing in our country as well as included to the abroad country. So this is the GNP. GNP minus depreciation. Depreciation means reduction of the fixed cost value. Reduction of the fall of the fixed cost value. So this is the D value. Okay. And the next one is a PI. What is? Next one is a then to the PI. PI means personal income. PI means personal income. PI means personal income. Okay. Personal income means individuals are Individual persons are earning amount as a called as a personal income. Householders are earning amount called as a personal income. For example, I am a one person. Okay, I got monthly income is at 20,000. What is the 1 year amount? What is the 1 year amount? So, for example, one person monthly income is at 20,000. They included to the direct taxes. Included to the direct taxes. Personal income is a not ready to the spending amount. It is a not ready to the spending amount because of included to the direct tax. Because of included to the direct tax. What is the formula of PI? The denoted formula is a PI is equal. The denoted formula is a denoted formula PI is equal to PI minus PT. Denoted formula PI minus PI is equal to denoted formula is a PI minus PT. PI minus PT. What is PI? PI means personal income. Personal income. For example, a personal income is at 20,000. One person income is a year income is a 20,000. A person year income is a 20,000. Okay. He can pay the direct tax. He can pay the direct tax. He can pay the, personal income formula denoted to the personal income formula denoted to the SSC minus NI minus SSC minus UP and TP. UP. PI means personal income. The denoted formula is a NI. NI means national income. SSC means social security consumption. UP means undistributed payments. UP means undistributed payments. And the next one is a DPI. DPI. What is DPI? DPI means disposable income. DPI means disposable income. This is the ready to the consumption, not included to the tax, not included to the personal taxes. Okay. DPI means disposable income. This is a ready to the consumption. This is a ready to the consumption. This formula is a denoted to the PI minus PT. PI minus PT. PI minus PT. What is PI? PI means personal income. PI means personal income. And PT means personal taxes. We are also announced income tax and corporation tax and sales tax. Okay. DPI means ready to the consumption. For example, I will take the one example. Okay. For example, a person income is at 20,000. A person income is at 20,000. 20,000. He paid the personal tax. He paid the personal tax is at 2,000. What will get the DPI? What will get the DPI? We get the DPI is a 18,000. We get the DPI 18,000. Okay now? 18,000. Okay. Some example, DPI means disposable income. The denoted formula is a PI minus PT. PI means personal income. A person income is at 20,000 and is a paid to the tax. Income tax. Income tax is at 20,000. What is the DPI value? The DPI value is a 80,000. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Next one is a per capita income. Okay, PCI. Next one is a PCI. 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 What is PCI? PCI means per capital income. The per capital formula is a NI divided by NI divided by NI divided by PI. NI divided by population. NI divided by population. NI means national income and PI means total population. The PCI means the total national income divided by the total population is called as a PCI. PCI means personal income. Okay, so I will take some example. Our national income is a 10,000. Our national income is a 10,000. Our national income is a 10,000 and the population is a 1,000. Our population is a 1,000. Our population is a 10,000. Okay, PCI means total population divided by national income. Total population divided by national income. I will take the one example. Our national income is a 1,000. 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 The living population is a 100. The living population is a 100. What will get the PCI? What will get the PCI? What will get the PCI? We get the PCI 100. 10. We get the PCI 10. Okay, what is the per capita income? Per capita income is a 10. Okay, I will explain the one by one once again. Today topic is national income. Okay, what is national income? The total money value of all final goods and services produced in a particular period of time is also known as a national income. Okay, next topic is a concept of national income. There are various concepts of national income such as a GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP, PI and DPI and PCI. Okay, GDP means gross domestic product. Denoted formula is a C plus I plus G. And next topic is a concept is a GNP. GNP means gross national product. The denoted formula is a C plus I plus G plus X minus CM plus R minus P. And the next one is a NDP. NDP means net domestic product. The denoted formula is a GDP. GDP minus D, we can get the NDP value. And same as well as next one is a NNP. NNP means net national product. Net national product. Okay, the formula is a denoted GNP minus D. GNP minus D, we can get the NNP value. And after that, the next point is a PI. PI means personal income. PI means personal income. The denoted formula is a PI is equal to NISSC UP. And next DPI. DPI means disposable personal income. DPI means disposable personal income. Disposable personal income. Okay, the formula is a PI minus PT. Some example, I will take the 20,000 of, we get the 18,000. And the next one is a PCI. PCI means per capita income. Per capita means total national income divided by the total population. Okay. The next concept is a measurement methods of national income. There are three measurement methods of national income. There are three measurement methods of national income. One of the income method and one of the income method and second one of the product method. There are three methods. There are three methods. There are three methods. One of the product method. Product method. Product method. This and the second one is the second one of the income method. Second one of the income method. And the third one of the expenditure method. Expenditure method. Expenditure method. Okay, first one I will discuss productive method. Okay, what is productive method? Productive method means the total money value of all final goods and services producing in our country and calculation to the market values. Calculation of the market values. Okay, calculation of the market values. According to this method is calculation of market values. A denoted formula is PX. Sir, P1 plus X1 P1 plus X1 P1 X1 plus P2 X2 and P1 X1 plus P2 X2 plus P3 X3 P3 X3 and Pn Xn. Pn Xn. Pn and X. Okay, product method is the total money value of all final goods and services producing in a country. Calculation of market values. It is also known as a product method and output method. Product method and value added method. This is also called as a product method. This is also called as a product method. This is also called as a product method and product method and value added method. Value added method. Value added method. Okay, what is product method? The product method is a total money value of all final goods and services producing in a particular period of time is a calculation of market values. For example, economic system is divided into three sectors, but in this sector, product method is divided into the agriculture sector and mining, quarrying, and transport and real estate. Okay, each product in this all sectors producing some commodities. In this commodities is valuated to the market rate, valuated to the market price rate. Okay, for example, I can take one sector example. Okay, agriculture sector is produced some commodities such as 10 commodities, but each commodity price rate is a 10 rupees or 2 rupees. Each commodity price rate is a 2 rupees. So what is the product value? The product value is a 10 into 2. The total product value is a 20. The product value is a 20. Okay, same way all sectors are included to the quantity value is included to the market price rate, Okay, P1 means price rate and X1 means quantity of commodity, and same P2 means other sector yokka price rate and same as well as X2 is a quantity of commodity. I will take the example 10 agriculture sector is a produce 10 commodities. Each commodity price rate is a 2. 10 into 2 is a 20 rupees. The agriculture productive value is a 20 rupees. Okay, in this product method is a facing of different problems. Okay na, some problems. First one is a double counting. Okay na, first one is a double counting. Double counting means some goods are not finished goods, some goods are semi-final goods. For example, wood is a using of fire, that wood is final good. The wood is a using of manufacturing of furnitures, that is a semi-final good. So we are included to the double counting, are not included to the product method. We are facing to the first one is a double counted. Product method is a facing to the first probleming of double counted. For example, wheat. I will take the another example. Agriculture sector is a producing wheat commodity, producing wheat goods. Okay, he sell them, that wheat good is a 500. The farmer is a sell the commodity 500, and this good is a buying of other person is a miller. Other person take this wheat is a miller. He is a change to the wheat flour. Is a change to the wheat is a flour, and if flour is a miller is a flour is a sale to the other, sale to the other person is a 800, and in this flour is a take to the bakery person is a preparing of final commodity bun, is a sale to this a 1200. The final good value is a 1200. We are included to the national income, we can take only 1200, not included to the all commodity price rate. Only we can take to the 1200 is a national income is a included. We are not taking to the other commodities other price rates. Okay, this we are 500, 800 and thousands, they are included. National income is a more than, national income is a more values, so we cannot using the double counting of national income. And next one vachesi, the next one is a, next facing the problem is a self consumption. Self consumption. For example, I am a farmer, I can produce some commodities. For example, 10 commodities. First of all, I take the 3 commodities in my personal work, and after that 7 commodities, sell them in market. Sell them in market. We are included only 7 commodities of price rate only. We not included to the 3 commodities income. Yes or no? So this is loss of the national income. Yes or no? So this one is the national income. National income measurement method యొక్క first, second problem. And next one is, third one problem is, some commodities are not money value. Some commodities are not value. For example, family services. For example, mother services is not included to the money value. Yes or no? And other vidhanga same as well as wife services, for example, and some personal works, some own land works are not paying to the income, so this is not included to the national income. So we are face the different problems in the product method. And the next one is income method. Next one is income method. What is income method? Income method means all factor payments are included. All factor payments are included and calculation of the national income. For example, what are the production factors? There are 4 types of the production factors. Number 1 is a land. Number 1 is a land. Number 1 is a land. Land what give the receive income? What take the receive income? The receiving income is a rent. The receiving income is a rent. Land is receiving income is a rent. Yes or no? Yes. And next one production factor is labor. Labor. Next one is a labor. Okay. Labor is a receiving income is, what is receiving income in labor? Wages. Wages. And next one is a capital. Next one is a capital. What is the capital is receiving income? What is the capital is receiving income? The capital receiving income is a interest. Capital receiving income is a interest. Capital receiving income is a interest. And the last one is a entrepreneur. Okay, organizer or entrepreneur. Entrepreneur receiving income is a profits. Yes or no? Yes, profits. Entrepreneur income is a profits. So these all incomes are included to the calculation of national income is a income method. Income method. For example, land is a receive income is a rent. We can use of land. We can pay the amount is a rent. Okay. Some example rent is, we can take some example 100 rupees of rent. 100 rupees of rent. 100 rupees of rent. And same Wages also we can use of one labor and we can pay the amount is also 100 rupees. Okay, next I can use some fixed capital and pay to the fixed capital amount is the interest. Interest also pay to the 100 rupees. And I am preparing, I am an entrepreneur, I face the some risk, so I take the profit is 100 rupees. So this all are amount are included and calculation of the national income. All are included, income is all are production factors incomes are included to the national income. Okay, how many 500? So 100 plus 100 plus 100. Okay, we are taking in 5 factors of payments. 5 factors of payments. 5 factors of payment. These factors of payments are included and calculation of the national income. In this method also facing in the some problems. In this method also facing in the some problems. Okay, illegal amounts are not calculation of it in this method. Illegal earning amount are not calculation in this method. And same self-employment income is a not included to the self-employment income is a not included to the this method. There are 4 production factors. Yes or no? These 4 production factors receiving income is a calculation of income methods. The 500 is a national income method. Okay, this method also facing some problems. First one problem is a illegal amount is a earning. Illegal earning amount is a not included to the income method, and self-employment income is a not included to the income method. Okay, and same, and the next one is the expenditure method, and next one is a expenditure method. Next is expenditure method. Okay, this is income method denoted formula is a R plus denoted formula is a R plus W plus P plus W plus P plus I. Okay. R means rate of interest. R means rate of rent. R means rent. W means wages of laborers, and P means profit of entrepreneur. I means capital of interest. Okay, this is income method. Is it clear? Okay, and the next method is a expenditure method. Expenditure method means all sectors expenditures are agreed and calculation of national income. Okay, all sector expenditures are included. For example, household sector income expenditure and government sector expenditure. These all sectors expenditure are included to the calculation of national income is expenditure method. Okay, the denoted formula is EG. EG means government expenditure plus EH. EH means household expenditure. I will take the example. Government expenditure is at 10,000. Government expenditure is at 10,000. plus household expenditure is a 5,000. Household expenditure is a 5,000. So what is the expenditure value? What is the expenditure value and what is the income value? The income value is a 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. Their calculation of total expenditure is a expenditure. All sector expenditure is included to the calculation of expenditure method. The denoted formula is a EG and ES. This method also facing up some problems. Okay, now intermediary goods. How to calculation of intermediary goods, for example, and second hand goods. This method also not calculation of second hand goods. Okay. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to everyone given opportunity.